Fractions. Fractions. The number that represents a part of a whole is called a fraction. If a cake is divided into 8 equal pieces and one piece of the cake is taken out, we say that 1/8 of the cake is taken out from the whole. Similarly, if we divide a group of objects into equal parts, then each part represents a fraction. Let's consider a group of 7 children, among which 4 are boys and 3 are girls. It means 4 out of 7 are boys. So, the fraction of boys is 4/7 or 4/7. Similarly, 3 out of 7 are girls. So, the fraction of girls is 3/7 or 3/7. The denominator of a fraction represents the total number of parts of a whole or a collection. The numerator represents how many equal parts of the whole or a collection are taken. There are 5 plates and 15 cookies. Rohan wants to place an equal number of cookies on each plate. How many cookies will he put on each plate? 1/5 of 15 is equal to 15/5, that is 3. Hence, there are 3 pieces of cookies on each plate. Let us see another example. What is 1/3 of an hour? 1/3 of 60 minutes means 20 minutes. Fractions on a number line. Recall the number line for whole numbers. Let us divide the section 0 to 1 into 6 equal parts. On this number line, the first mark after 0 represents 1/6. The next mark represents 2/6. The third mark represents 3/6 or 1/2. The fourth mark represents 4/6 or 2/3. The fifth mark represents 5/6. The sixth mark represents 6/6 or 1. Types of fractions. Like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions that have the same denominators. For example, 1/3, 2/3, 5/3. Unlike fractions, these are the fractions that have different denominators. For example, 5/7, 6/5, 7/3. Unit fractions. A unit fraction is a fraction that has 1 as the numerator. For example, 1/7, 1/3, 1/9 are unit fractions. Proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction that has the numerator less than the denominator. For example, 2/5, 7/8, 3/4 are proper fractions. Improper fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction that has the numerator greater than the denominator. For example, 10/3 and 13/7 are improper fractions. Mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, 3/1/2, 5/1/7 and 7/1/2 are mixed fractions. Let us learn about equivalent fractions. Himanshu has 10 chocolate bars and each chocolate bar has 10 blocks. Case 1. He distributes 5 chocolate bars among his 5 friends, so each friend gets 1 chocolate bar. He is left with 5 chocolate bars. The fraction of chocolate bars left with Himanshu equals 5/10. Case 2. This time he breaks each chocolate bar into 2 equal halves and distributes 2 half chocolate bars to each of his 5 friends. Now he is left with 10 half pieces of chocolate bars. The fraction of chocolate bars left with Himanshu equals 10 by 20. In both cases, the portions of chocolate bars left with Himanshu are equal. Thus, 5 by 10 equals 10 by 20 equals 1 by 2. Here, 5 by 10 and 10 by 20 are the equivalent fractions. The fractions that have the same value are known as equivalent fractions. The equivalent fraction of a given fraction can be obtained by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Example 1. Find any three equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. To get the three equivalent fractions of 3 by 5, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, 3, and 4. The equivalent fractions will be 6 by 10, 9 by 15, and 12 by 20. Conversion of fractions. Conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Example, convert 17 by 2 into a mixed fraction. On dividing 17 by 2, we get quotient equals 8 and remainder equals 1. Thus, mixed fraction of 17 by 2 is 8 and 1 by 2. Let us convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. Example, convert 5, 1 by 2 into an improper fraction. Step 1. Multiply 2 and 5 which equals 10. Step 2. Add 1, the numerator to the product. 1 plus 10 equals 11. Step 3. Now, the required fraction equals 11 by 2, which is an improper fraction. Comparing and arranging fractions in order. Tina and Meena are coloring clay pots. Tina colored 3 by 7 of the total clay pots and Meena colored 5 by 7 of the total clay pots. Who colored more clay pots? Since 3 by 7 and 5 by 7 are like fractions, therefore, to compare these fractions, compare their numerators. 5 by 7 has a greater numerator than 3 by 7. Thus, Meena colored more clay pots than Tina. As we know that in like fractions the denominators are the same, so to compare the like fractions we compare their numerators. Comparing unit fractions. As we know that in unit fractions the numerators are 1, so to compare the unit fractions we compare their denominators. In such fractions, the fraction that has the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Since 7 is greater than 5, so 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 7. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. Example 1. Let us add 1 by 8, 3 by 8, and 2 by 8. Add the numerators. 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals 6. Now, write the sum above the same denominator. Thus, 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8 equals 6 by 8. On simplifying 6 by 8, we write it as 3 by 4. Example 2. Subtract 14 by 32 from 17 by 32. Subtract the numerators equals 17 minus 14 equals 3. Now, write the difference above the same denominator. Thus, 17 by 32 minus 14 by 32 equals 3 by 32. To subtract like fractions, first subtract the smaller numerator from the greater numerator, then write their difference above the same denominator. Word problems. Problem 1. A father bought 17 pens from the stationery shop. He gave 3 pens to his elder son and 2 pens to his younger son. What fraction of pens did both of his sons receive in total? Fraction of pens got by elder son equals 3 by 17. Fraction of pens got by the younger son equals 2 by 17. The fraction of pen received by both the sons equals 3 by 17 plus 2 by 17 equals to 5 by 17. Problem 2. There were some apples in a basket. Sushma and Deepthi ate 4 by 19 and 5 by 19 parts of the total apples, respectively. Who ate more apples and by how much? Fraction of apples eaten by Sushma equals 4 by 19. Fraction of apples eaten by Deepthi equals 5 by 19. Since 5 by 19 greater than 4 by 19, so Deepthi ate more apples. To find out how many more fraction of apples were eaten by Deepthi than Sushma, subtract the fractions. 5 by 19 minus 4 by 19 equals 1 by 19. Thus, 1 by 19 more apples are eaten by Deepthi than Sushma.